Hey, today I'm going to share with you something that's going to go in that pan and made from this. Good old bacon. We're going to cook up some bacon and then we are going to put them in muffin cups with some croissant layer and egg and cheese. I'm going to show you something really easy to make. Maybe something great for a Christmas morning. Yum yums. Maybe like for a Christmas morning breakfast. All right, so let's get started. We're gonna get our bacon in. Probably hit it with some hot sauce or hit it with a little bit of maple syrup. Some people like ketchup. Whatever floats your boat. Now we're going to open these croissant dough sheets and put them in the pan, and then add our eggs here, and then some bacon here. That looks so yummy. And then top it with some cheese. So I don't cook the eggs all the way. I like to leave it a little bit moist so that way they don't get too dry. And I've already preheated the oven to 350, as it says over here. Now I'm going to bust this up. And there we go. You can do this with little round cupcakes as well. Alright, so all the croissant layers are there. Now I'm just going to put a little bit of egg. And just kind of mash it up a little bit there. Oops. Egg fell. Oh, Lou Bear's lurking down on the bottom over here. Are you lurking? Hello, what you want? You want some eggy? Alright, we'll give you some eggy. Alright, I saved Lou Bear a little bit for eggy. Look at how patient. Oh, sit. Good boy. Here you go. Take some bacon. I like to pull it apart and crumble it. even the little fatty pieces. It will make it real tasty. Depends on how much bacon you like on yours. And we'll just wash my hands in between, and here we go. And we're gonna top it with some cheese. Cheese I try to make sure I keep in the muffin pan because that will make the muffin pan like bake onto it. All right, there we have it. And this is going to go into the oven. In the oven it goes. I'll set the timer for, I think it's about 13 minutes. Okay, there we go, 13 minutes. All right, here they are, fresh out of the oven. I'm going to take them out of the pan and put them on here so they can cool off, so they don't stick to the pan. Bottoms look real good. Ooh, yummy. Hope you'll enjoy it. Maximize times 10. Look at that. Let's try it. Has a nice little bacon ring on it right there. All right, let's see how good they are.